Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews, and as you can see, things are a mess in here, but I'm hoping that we can solve that problem with this right here. Well, they have this in here, interestingly. This will be our front, and this would be the back, because the back is going to look not as nice as the front. So it's pretty much going to be like this, with the back and boards in. Alright, so a couple things you're going to need. A hammer, Phillips screwdriver, and a tape measure, and that's it. Alright, so final product. It's not going to win any awards for being super stylish. As far as putting it together, is very easy, very simple. Follow directions, or you could, if you're used to this stuff, you could easily do it yourself without the directions. Time-wise, it'll take you 15 to 30 minutes, depending on what tools you have of your own that make it go faster. So